Today, we are diving deep into a showdown between these two incredible devices that are making waves in the digital world currently. We have the Redmi Pad and the Huion Kamvas 13. Whether you are a CGI artist or you are looking for a perfect tool or you are just curious about which device suits your creative workflow, you are in the best place. Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the purpose and use case of these two devices. The Redmi Pad SE is a general purpose Android tablet that is versatile, and you can sketch, you can use it for digital planning, you can also use it for conceptual designs, or even watch any of your favorite shows. But here's the catch: it is not made specifically for digital drawing. It lacks precision that a CGI artist crave. While on the other hand, the Huion Kamvas 13 is designed for a professional artist with digital pen. However, it needs to be plugged into a computer. It cannot work, it cannot be powered on its own, and it is not as portable as the Redmi Pad. Let's jump into the display quality. Where things get really interesting. For the Redmi Pad, it has a 10.61 inches LCD display with a resolution of 2000 by 1200 pixels. It is great for content consumption and rough sketches, but when it comes to color accuracy and precision, I'm not sure it's on the same level as the Huion Kamvas 13. The Huion Kamvas 13, on the other hand, has a 13.3 Full HD display. The color coverage is extremely rich. It is perfect for CGI artists who need accurate color presentation, and it comes with a laminated screen to reduce parallax for better precision. Now let's talk about the pen functionalities. The Huion Kamvas 13 blows the Redmi Pad out of the water when it comes to this, because its pen is battery free, and the pen also offers 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity and tilt recognition, which is perfect for like sculpting, 3D modeling, and so on. While in comparison, the Redmi Pad only supports casual sketching and note taking with a far less sensitivity and no tilt functionality. When it comes to the software compatibility, the Redmi Pad SE runs on the Android operating system, so you can use apps like Procreate and Autodesk Sketchbook. But if you are into professional CGI software like Blender and Maya, because it is fully compatible with those programs, I mean Blender, Maya, Udemy, and Unreal Engine 5. Talking about how portable and how convenient it is to move both devices around, I feel, in my own opinion, portability is a key difference here. The Redmi Pad SE is super portable. Just pick it up and go. No wires, no computers needed. While on the other hand, the Kamvas 13 needs to be plugged into a computer, so it makes it less mobile, but offer more power for CGI work. Finally, let's talk price. The Redmi Pad SE is budget friendly. It's perfect for those who want versatility without breaking the bank. But for serious CGI work, the Huion Kamvas 13 offer incredible value with its professional level tools. So my question now is, which one do you think is right for you? If you are after professional level precision, I feel the Huion Kamvas 13 is your way to go. But if you need something versatile, portable, and affordable, the Redmi Pad SE is a solid choice for sketching and concept work on the move. That's it for today's review. Let me know in the comment section which one you will pick. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. hit that notification button so you will never miss any updates.